Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix elevated error on Claude AI. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are experiencing this problem, then there are a number of reasons why you have this issue. This issue is most common on Claude, especially if there is a large request or logins on Claude AI at the same time. This high traffic might cause your Claude AI to return this elevated error on your account. So if you are already logged in and you got this error, then first try and open a new tab and try to log into Claude AI and see if you'll be able to log into your account safely. However, if you're still experiencing the same error, then you might want to go ahead and clear your browser data depending on the browser you are using. As you can see, I'm on Chrome. So for that, I'll just go to these three dots here and go to settings. So I'll click on settings here. Then from settings, go to privacy and security. Then choose delete browsing data. This will clear your browsing history, cookies, cache, and more. So if you click on this, you can confirm this by choosing the period you want to delete. So you can say, I want to delete for the last hour or last 24 hours. Tap on it and then choose delete data, and your browsing data will be cleared. So at this point, now you can open a fresh new tab, then log into your Claude AI, and now everything should be okay. However, if this does not work, then you might want to give it some time and come log in later when the traffic has downed. By using any of these methods, now you should be able to have your account fixed and the error fixed. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.